Welcome to the HUAWEI Ascend Disassembly video tutorial. Disassembly tool. Attach the protective film to the TP before disassembly to avoid scratching the device during the disassembly. Use the eject pin to remove the card tray. Use the disassembly tab to open a gap within the limited area between the front and rear covers. Do not scratch the power and volume buttons to avoid damaging the buckle. Use the PH number 000 Phillips screwdriver with the T2 bit to remove the 7 screws in sequence. Set the torque to 0.9 to 1.1 kilogram force per centimeter. Use the ESD tweezers to remove the Mylar film, battery steel sheet, and the LCD B2B connector steel sheet. Use the B2B connector removal tool to remove the battery B2B connector, the main FPC B2B connector, and the LCD FPC B2B connector. Use the dedicated coaxial cable removal tool to remove the coaxial cable heads from the PCBA. Use the disassembly stick to pry up the PCBA from its lower left corner and then remove it. Use the Phillips screwdriver with the T2 bit to remove the 8 screws in sequence. Set the torque to 0.9 to 1.1 kilogram force per centimeter. Use the ESD tweezers to pry up and remove the subsidiary board support. Use the B2B connector removal tool to remove the FPC and coaxial cable from the subsidiary board. Use the ESD tweezers to remove the subsidiary board. Use the disassembly stick to pry up and remove the speaker. Use the metal tweezers to remove the proximity sensor subboard. Use the B2B connector removal tool to remove the front and rear cameras. Use the ESD tweezers to remove the headset rubber. Disassembly is complete. Thanks for watching.